Hello, my name is Julie. Welcome to my channel. You're watching Treasures Made from Yarn. This is my Things We're Making Thursday video, and the theme for this month is wearables. So I'm going to share some of my wearables I have. Let's see, I have a couple done. Okay, we'll start with this one. This one, if you've probably seen this in the last two videos. This is a scarf, and I was doing a video for this yarn, the Facets yarn from Michaels, and I showed the pattern on how to do this. Just kind of a back and forth granny square, and I showed you how to do my favorite edging. That was one of my favorites. It's pretty much a V-stitch with the chain 3 on top of it. So yeah, you made it. Yeah, it's a double. You double crochet, you chain 3, and you double crochet in the same double crochet you just did, and the last double crochet in the stitch as the first double crochet. It is one of my favorite edgings. So I have that done. It's probably too warm to wear that. And I was confused on the number of stitches to start, so I started another project to figure it out. So yeah, I did another one, except this one I ran a yarn. I just made it into a cowl. I think I joined the two ends with, see, now I can't find where the end is, because I guess I did that good of a job joining it. Because yeah, I think, yeah, right here. Because I slip stitched as I was joining the two rows. Yeah. Somewhere. Yeah, right here. And if you should have it on the other side, you can't see it at all. Yeah, so that's a cowl I got done. Alright. I mentioned in my previous video that I was going to get the ice cream hat done. And yes, the ice cream hat is done. There's no pattern other than the stitch itself, which is in the June's Mystery Yarn Challenge, which was hosted by Lori at Armchair Chef. She did a playlist this month of all of the different projects, and then there was an ice cream stitch in there, and that's what this is. And I don't think I was kind of winging how to close the top, and I think I did. I wasn't expecting it to be pointy. So yeah, ice cream hat. That one's done. Alright, I think that are all the done ones under the wearables category. So I got two sweaters going. But I want to focus on this one here. If I remembered last week, this black part I did years ago. It was actually a poncho, going to be a poncho, but then now it's like the top part of the sweater. And then I started adding the stitch. This is the stitch used among the sweater playlist. There's a sweater among that Mystery Yarn Challenge playlist. So I'm using that stitch to hopefully fill out the bottom, and then I eventually got to make the sleeves. And I don't know why it's curling. Like my project on the bottom, it's curling, and I don't know why it's curling like that. I've never seen it, at least in crochet, do that. I know I've seen it in Tunisian crochet, and I've seen it in knitting, but yeah, this is curling. Anyway, since we are dealing with probably a decent size sweater and a size 2 yarn, I'm hoping to get this done in June. I'm hoping. Because I only got this project, but I think I got one other. You see my last one I still have to do the tote bag yet. I think that's all I have left to finish do all the crochets to finish the tote bag, to at least finish a sweater. like I said, I started a second one. But not the same stitch, but it'll be constructed in the same concept. Oh, okay. It's just, yeah, a net right now. That's all I got. A couple rows of a net, and I'm wondering if I made it too big. That's okay. I'm kind of big. I like things bigger and baggier, but, and 2 strands, because they're both like size 2. So I got 2 strands held together. So yeah, I think my plan, like this will be kind of like the front or the back, was to work my way up, leave a hole for the neck opening, and then go around the other side. And then attach on some sleeves. Easy peasy, but I think I have to choose which of the sweater to concentrate on first. Because I don't think I can work on both of these at the same time and be done in June. So I think I'll work on the one I just showed you. Like this one. Nope. No. Okay, this one. Work on that one first. Try to get this done. Okay, it's hot in here. I'm getting hot and wearing the hat and the scarf because it is rather warm out. Oh, I forgot. Now I'm looking around. I forgot. I guess this is technically a wearable. It's a bracelet. I almost forgot about this one. So, I think that is, I'll wrap this up for now. Not a very long video, so if you did like this video, please get a like. If you want to see more content like this, and if you want to go check out the scarf pattern, please subscribe to my channel. I want to thank you always for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye now.